just pop the plastic piece back in. Much cleaner. Alright, so next little mod. I got this carbon fiber wrap that came in. Wanted to wrap this carbon fiber and this up here. I might leave this black. I don't know yet. I'm going to see how this looks first. And then might wrap them both. Cause I got a little carbon fiber here and I'm going to put some carbon fiber in the front. So just putting some little fine touches around the car. So yeah, I'm going to see how this wrap turns out and see if I want to keep it or not. Don't got a freaking heat gun, so gotta do what you gotta do. Just heating up the side pillar. Alright y'all, just got done wrapping this side. So my battery actually just died, had to grab another one. But here's how it looks without the carbon, you know, just regular black. And this is how it looks with the carbon. So definitely a lot cleaner. I'm about to wrap up here as well. Up here, other side. So I'm about to get to that and show you how it looks. Alright, this side is done. Looks pretty good. It's my first time wrapping anything, so I think it came out pretty well. Just got to hit this piece now, and that's going to be it. But yeah. So I'm actually going to go to my homie's house right now because he got a low profile jack. Got a wide pipe that just came in from Z1 Motorsports, so I'm about to go over to his house, get that installed. Hopefully I'll get a lot of rasp out of my exhaust because my wide pipe is actually blown right now. So the flex pipes are rattling a lot and it just makes the nastiest noise. So we're going to get that replaced and show a review on that, and then show the difference between the flex pipes and the Z1 wide pipe, because the Z1 wide pipe has no flex pipes. So yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to his house, and then we're gonna continue the vlog from there. So see ya. Alright y'all, so I'm on the way to my boy's crib right now. He's staying not too far from here, so I'm just about to slide over there, get this wide pipe changed out. Hopefully we get a big difference on sound. I don't know if y'all just heard that, but it makes a really nasty fucking raspy noise. And that's just because of the flex pipe, so yeah, we're gonna change out this wide pipe and then hopefully it makes a big difference. Alright y'all, just got the car all jacked up. Jacked it up from the diff, and then I'm gonna unbolt the wide pipe from the cat back and then from the test pipes. And switch it out to this right here, the Z1 wide pipe. So we gotta put this all together, slap it on the car, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds after that. Alright y'all, wide pipe is off. It really wasn't too bad because the guy already did some exhaust work, so the bolts weren't too on there. But as y'all can see, it's off now. So yeah, now we're about to put together the Z1 wide pipe and then throw it on the car. How it looks. So yeah, we're about to put it together, throw it on the car, and then show y'all how it sounds. Alright y'all, just got the wide pipe bolted in. It was a bitch to fit, not gonna lie. This ISR, that big resonator right there, was fucking hard as hell to fit in, but finally got her in. I don't know if y'all could see, but yeah. She's in there, all tightened up. So now I'm about to do a sound clip and see how she sounds. Hopefully all the rasp is gone. And yeah, and then should be it. right, y'all, so a little update. Got the Y pipe in the trunk now. So we actually had the two pipes inverted, so the exhaust wasn't lining up properly and it was hitting the drive shaft. We had to go back, switch them around, but now it's perfect. No more leaks, no more hiss, rattle from the flex pipe, so it sounds a lot better. It's gonna sound a lot better once the Tomei's on and I sell the ISR. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. Just put some carbon fiber on here, wiper delete, and Y pipe. So, you know, just little things on the car that's gonna be coming here and there. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next video. Y'all take it easy.